Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Better Life Vlog, and I'm Arsenia Judosio. Today I will cook chicken mushroom with broccoli. We have ingredients here: onions, garlic, minced ginger, broccoli florets, button mushroom, soy sauce, oyster sauce, a little water, and we have chicken breast, and I cut it into strips like that. So we will season our chicken strips or julienne cut into a little cornstarch, a dust of salt, and a dust of black pepper. So we just mix this one. We can cook it right away. So let's start cooking. In our pan that is already hot, we put a little oil. We just scatter this one. We just spread the oil in our pan, and let's wait to become more hot. Let's put our chicken. We fry it for a little while. If we were about to flip the chicken, we must remove the pan to the fire and rest it for a few seconds. After a few seconds, we will check our chicken if it loosened. Yeah, it's loose already. So we will try to flip it. Put it back in the fire. So that's it. We flip the chicken. We expect the chicken to stick at the bottom because we are using a steel pan. Because it's healthy to cook in the steel pan than to non-stick pan. After browning our chicken, we will set aside. And we will use the same pan. We just add a little oil. We will put our chopped onions. We just make this brown. Yes, it's brown a little our onion. By this time, we will put our garlic and a little ginger. We will add next is our broccoli and our mushroom. Yes, a button mushrooms. I will just mix this one. And we're going to add our water. And so with our soy sauce. We just continue to simmer this one until the broccoli and mushroom become soft. We will add a dash of salt. Yeah. Let's check our broccoli. Yeah, it's soft already. So by this time, we will return the chicken in the pan. We just mix this one. And then we will put our oyster sauce. Just mix our vegetables. And simmer for a few minutes. This is it, guys, our chicken mushroom with broccoli. It looks so yummy. So hope you enjoyed viewing. Don't forget to subscribe. Better Life Vlog. God bless and thank you.